Protro Wolf Grey blends modern performance with legacy, pushing Nike's innovation forward. Designed for elite athletes, it features a carbon fiber heel counter for enhanced stability and a responsive Lunarlon cushioning system for maximum energy return and comfort. Its precision traction pattern delivers exceptional grip, perfect for quick cuts and agile court moves. The sleek Flyknit upper ensures a second skin fit, offering both lightweight flexibility and breathable support. Aesthetically, the wolf gray tone and metallic silver accents lend sophistication, appealing to collectors and players alike. This Protro release not only honors Kobe Bryant's legacy but also reimagines it with state-of-the-art upgrades. The shoe strikes the ideal balance between nostalgic design cues and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're chasing buckets or collecting heat, this sneaker reflects the relentless drive, precision, and elegance that defined Kobe's legendary game.